What's up, good people? This is Dosha gang. Welcome once again. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Guys, we are going to clean my fridge today. I don't know how you clean yours, though I want to clean with you today my fridge. How many times do you clean your fridge? For me, I clean once in 2 weeks. Now guys, I don't know what you think about that. These dishes, fridge dishes, you need really to be very careful, because once you go there out and just buy these dish fridge, they are very expensive, because people will know you can't do without it, so they'll try to hike the price. I try so much not to get them off every now and then, and that is why I clean my fridge after 2 weeks. Now the question of today: how many times do you clean your fridge? Do you clean your fridge, and what do you use? Okay guys, this is what I'm doing today. Now I've already emptied my fridge. I've already put off my fridge. I prefer my fridge to be off. I know other people, they prefer their fridge to have some light. I prefer it off, actually off completely. I don't want to tamper with so many things. And buying a fridge, I'm telling you, it took me time. I don't know how long it took you. How long did it take you to buy your fridge? Guys, it took me long, so I will always take good care of it. Okay guys, let's check out the dishes, the fridge dishes. I know you're not going to see me very well, but it's okay. I'll just place in my sink. I'm going to clean with you so that you can see the difference. I don't know what is this they had to put for me, but it's to support the dish. So I'll just put it carefully. Now guys, this is my fridge. Now what I will do, this is just my water. Actually, this is my water. It's just warm water. I just want to wipe first. So I'll just wipe it actually first. Anyway, even in your houses, you sweep first before you mop. Actually, this is what I do. I don't know how you do yours. Please tell me. I don't know how you do yours. This is just to remove the dirt. Guys, I'm just hoping this video won't backfire. It's quite dark. It has been raining so much, there isn't very good lighting. So the normal lighting in my house. So guys, after that, I'll just use a spray. Okay, there's so many sprays in the market, but you can use any that you want. I prefer this because I love the smell. It's nice. Before using my toothbrush. Okay, this is not what I use for my, because I can reach all the corners. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Okay guys, I'll take also my clean water, warm water actually. Yeah, I want to just wipe inside. I'll also want to do the same on my door, on the door fridge. I do it with this because I would want to penetrate all the edges on the toothbrush. Depending on how big your fridge is, guys, you will take the brush that you want. I know there are so many brushes outside there, so in the market, so you can pick whichever you want. For me, I prefer the toothbrush. Just placed it in warm water. So yeah. I want to make sure everything is clean. Quarantine will just do the indoor videos. But you remember I told you there is somewhere that I need to do for them marketing. So a very big hotel in Mombasa, guys, and I want you to be with me. Kindly subscribe, thumbs up if you love this video. I don't know how you do yours, you can correct me. Yeah, every day is a learning day. Now I'll go just on top. The dust that can be there, you know. Okay, I don't place the tags on my fridge. I love it like this. Yeah. I just love it like this. By the way, what is the brand of your fridge, guys? Mine is Samsung anyway. I'm done with my fridge. I'll just want to aerate it and just use okay, some will leave it to dry, but most of the time with me I just use something to wipe also, because some of my stuff cannot stay outside for so long. It's nice. Wow, I love this. I love this smell. That is my cleany fridge. This is Dosha gun, guys. We are cleaning the fridge today. Remember, we have not washed the dish, the fridge dish. We need to wash the fridge dish. So guys, I don't know if I'll just twist my camera and it will be okay. Let me try so that you can see my surface. Yeah. Alright guys, help me wash these dishes. Just help me wash these dishes. These are glass. I want to start washing my dishes. So I want to start with the glass because they are too delicate for me. So what do you use in washing? This is what I use. Pride. By the way, I'm the only one who cleans my fridge. So who cleans your fridge, guys? Wow, the smell is nice. I love the smell. Guys. Okay, I don't know how you clean yours. Please just tell me so that I can learn. Okay, I'll want to rinse it immediately. This is Dosha gang, please. And I know there are so many people who are new there. You will want to subscribe. Yeah, kindly subscribe. Guys, some people are asking me how do I take myself a video. Guys, I just take myself. Nobody helps me to do this. Nobody. It's me who does it. I do it myself. One time I'll come with a friend so that I can just show you what I do. I'm waiting for it to dry. I'll not want to wipe that, obviously. Okay. Guys, I show you my fridge. It's ready. Okay guys, this is my fridge. I'm waiting for the dishes to dry up. My humble little fridge. Yeah, it's Samsung, guys. I'm having too many videos. This is my fridge. Of course, the fridge dish they're dry, so I've just insert them. Now my fridge is ready. Actually, it's on. So I'll just want to pack my things, guys. Kindly let me know how let me know how you clean your fridge, guys. I love you so much. Please subscribe, thumbs up if you like this video. I know there is a time that I'll have good lighting. I had very poor lighting, guys. Kindly subscribe, thumbs up. Bye till another time. Bye.